Hello, welcome to Art Scout. I'm Uni. When I was in Korea, I usually ate pumpkin porridge in the fall, but in the US, people enjoy pumpkin pie in the fall. I made a pumpkin pie for the first time last year. At the time, I bought a can of pumpkin puree. This time, I want to challenge myself to make a pumpkin pie with a fresh pumpkin and do a self-made pumpkin puree. And I will even decorate it with some characters. Let's get started. This is a pumpkin for making pies. Cut the pumpkin in half by cutting down one side first. And then turn it and do the same on the other side. Pull the two halves apart. Scoop out the seeds with a spoon. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Place the halves of the pumpkin with the cut side down. Bake until the pumpkin is really soft. It usually takes about 35 to 40 minutes. Stir by hand over 10 minutes. The pumpkin puree is done. Preheat oven to 450 degrees. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Add 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of pumpkin puree, and 8 ounces of heavy whipped cream. Please mix them well. Add 2½ spoons of pumpkin pie spice. I'm using a 9" pie shell. Poke some small holes in the pie crust. Pour the mixture into the pie crust. Attach tin foil around the edge of the crust to prevent over-browning. Put the pie crust into the oven and bake for 10 minutes. Reduce the heat to 350 degrees and bake for 40 to 50 minutes. Please remove the tin foil when there is about 20 minutes remaining. The pumpkin pie is done. Prepare round paper about the size of your pie. Design your characters and draw them on the paper. Cut out the outline of the drawing with a blade. Put the paper onto the pie, then sprinkle powdered sugar on it. Remove the paper from the pie. Ta-da! Decorating is done. Good luck making and decorating your own delicious pumpkin pie. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to Art Scout. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!